Hey everybody, welcome back. How you doing? Good, I hope. I thought I would come in. I started doing this and I'm like, I probably should video it so you guys can see what I'm doing. So you can't really see my laptop because I'll show you. Let me just move some of this other stuff out of the way. Okay. All right. You probably can't see it anyway because of the glare that goes on. Yeah, you can't see it anyway. So anyway, I have my Silhouette Studio open. I have the Cameo Silhouette by Cricut. And yeah, I have the Silhouette Cameo. So I have the studio open to make the names of the cash envelopes. So we are going to be labeling our cash envelopes because for a while I've been doing them without stuff on them. So I'm trying to remember what one's what or whatever. So I went through already. I'm just doing it in plain black. Maybe when I get more qualified with it or whatever, I'll do it and make it more pretty or whatever. So I did the property tax envelope. I still have the home repair. I did Christmas, labeled Christmas. I labeled the car registration folder, and I labeled the car maintenance. So now we just got these ones to do. So, and I think there's like, I got them all right here, and yes, they're black, as you can't see. Let's see. And I did them in different fonts. See that one? You'll see it better when I take it off. So let's do the birthday one. I kind of measured the envelope. I'm trying to get used to it. I haven't used my Cameo in forever to do any kind of vinyl. And so it's taken me a little bit to get back into it again. So I measured the envelopes, how long and everything they are. And I've forgotten how much of a pain in the neck this is. And I can see why a lot of the girls that make these charge bucks for them, okay? Because you have to do this, you have to print it out. And I have a whole big thing of this transfer paper, but it's kind of old. But I have a whole big thing of it, so I just take off pieces. And I have my what are they? These tweezers. I have a little pick thing, and I have my little score thing. So you have to go through these and take the, if there's an easier way to do this, then I don't know what it is. So I do it this way, and it's for me. I'm not selling them. I'd have to figure out a professional way to do it if I was going to sell them, because this takes a while. Just those first ones that I did took me, I don't know, an hour, half hour. And then, because this comes, they move when you try to take the things off. So it messes up the alignment. So I try to put them back the best I can. And like I said, they're for me. So I think I have to have my cutter, I have to arrange the cut depth and stuff. I mean, it cuts pretty good, but some of this, I think I have to go a little bit deeper because it doesn't, when you lift it off, it still leaves all these little pieces. And they get everywhere. So, yeah, that's fun. So I thought I would do a couple of them with you, and then it'd take me forever to do all of them with you. So we're not going to do all of them. And get these little pieces off of me. Okay, so I have birthday. So I'm going to take the little sticky stuff. It's not really sticky because it's old. and it's been down here, but it'll work. So I just take my little score thing and just kind of rub it. And it should, if I play with it enough, it'll transfer on. If not, then you just gotta kind of mess with it. Okay. And so now this one is ready to go on, and I just kind of willy-nilly to put it on there. And you can score that on there again. And there we go. There's birthday. So what one didn't we do? We haven't done this one. This one is home repair, I think. Yep, home repair. Let's see. Let's do that one, home repair. Move these ones out of the way. So I'll do a couple with you, so we're at 6 minutes. I don't want the video to be too long, but you can do this yourself if you have one of these things, one of these cutters. They have new ones now. Mine's old. I've had mine forever, but I only use it once in a while. But it's the Cameo. And they've come out with better ones since I got that one. And there's nothing wrong with mine, so why not use it? You can get the, see, I think it needs to cut deeper because some of it doesn't come off. There we go. Doesn't want to play nice. The E didn't cut all the way through. So it's real important that you get your cup depth right, and I'm off just by a hair, I think, because there's only a couple that aren't coming off. Come on. Ugh. This stuff is nasty, and it sticks to you. So I messed up my A. See if I can get it straightened out here. And the other vinyl is stuck to it. I don't want to break it. There we go. I gotta put my A back on. And there's those. So you gotta get out the little things that it didn't cut all the way through. So yeah, I already know I have to manage the cut depth. It's just off by a little bit, but I noticed if I get it too tight or too depth, it'll ruin the whole thing. It'll cut right through everything. So I think I'd rather deal with a little bit of little bit. See, it didn't even cut the A all the way, so that's okay. So we'll just do with what we have. And we'll take this again and put it on here and score it. I'll do the rest of them off camera, and just so that you see, you kind of design it the way you want. If you want them all the same, I didn't want mine all the same, so the fonts are all different on them to make them fun. So let's see, did this come all the way off? I hope so. Yep. And we will put these on. This one on. Kind of line it up the best you can. I mean, you can go all out and just measure everything, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not that particular. I mean, this is just mine. There we go. Home repair. So we have property tax, home repair, Christmas, car registration, car maintenance, and birthday. So I will do the rest of them off camera. And then when we do our next cash envelope stuffing, which is pretty soon, I will show you how they turned out. So far so good. They look cute, huh? I had scrapbook paper that kind of resembled what I wanted it to, and yeah. The birthday one, it has birthday on the front, and then on the back it has cake, yummy, sweet, hot dogs, I like birthday stuff. So we got the first part done, and then we'll do the next one. I mean, for now, this is going to work for me because these are the ones, this I guess is what you call the, what is it, sinking funds, things that happen yearly, whatever. I don't have like a savings. I guess the Christmas one is a savings one. The other ones are like happens every year. Christmas does too, but that's more of a savings one. But that's all I have for now. I don't need a bunch of notebooks to put them in. They all fit in here, so yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye now.